Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on UMA token. On a 4-hour time frame chart, UMA token is really on the verge of another big move, and this is a bullish bias pattern, a falling wedge that it has formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And now you can see that the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time it can break this pattern. However, the probability for the breakdown is always there, and in case of breaking down this wedge, it can drop down here to approximately 2.94 cents. And in that situation, it can also break down this next long-term support of $3.15 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very huge breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the price line has also broken out this very long-term and long-term strong resistance. And one of the strongest resistance ever, that is the bearish cloud, the bearish Ichimoku cloud that it has broken out after breaking out this falling wedge pattern. And now this bearish cloud is flipped into a bullish cloud, you can see here, and it can now work as a very strong and long-term support for UMA token. Right now, you can see it is trying to break out this long-term resistance. In fact, this is a complete resistance zone that starts from $7.08 and goes to $9, and we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for UMA that I shared a few days ago on 27th of January 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that UMA was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. First, it dropped more down, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal, and this was almost 12% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal guardlet pattern that was formed with US dollar pair, and that was another very nice reversal. After playing this chart, you can see that the price line read the sell targets on here and here as well. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of UMA token, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. First, let me to show you this 4-hour time frame chart, and here you can see that UMA is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. By the way, we have broken down a quite significant and long-term support of $4.20 while moving inside this wedge. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart again, then you can see that previously this $4.20 level has been breaking as a nice support here in the month of Feb 2022, and here in the month of July, August 2023, it has been breaking as a resistance. And now recently, we have broken down this support on the 4-hour time frame chart, not on the weekly time frame chart. And right now you can see that this price line is struggling to break it out once again. This is a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line will be recovered back, and it may break out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern. In case of breaking out this wedge, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $6.40. And in my point of view, after breaking out this wedge, it can also make another powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from $7.08 and goes to $9. Now on this weekly time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 478%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone. Therefore, in order to continue this rally, we need to break it out. And the target for this breakout from this wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.